Assalamualaikum and good day to all. My name is Muhamad Akashah bin Roky and my ID number is B0517101185. And today I will present about my industrial training on my industrial training at AFA Technologies Sdn Bhd with the duration of 2 months. My supervisor during my industrial training is Phua Kok Keong. First, let me introduce to Alpha Technologies, which is Alpha mean Advanced Factory Automation. This Alpha is a company that provide its technology to their customer that leading through innovative automated process technologies. They provide the automation for their customers. This company is a machine manufacturer focusing in serving glove packaging industries, mechanical, medical product, or device packaging, and also they provide the food packaging industries. They will produce the machine that will fold the glove to packaging one by one or box by box. They also provide to packaging the food such as tea, chocolate, and so on. So as we can see here, there is a few products that produced by the Alpha Technologies. As you can see on the left is the dispenser printing handler machine. This is the machine that will print on the glove, and this only need one operator to operate this machine. So it will reduce the workers when they need to print on the glove. Next is glove inline placing system. This machine is used to place the glove on the production line that will go to the packaging. And this glove inline placing system is located on the FMS 2010, which is Surgical Glove Advanced Packing Line. That complex machine, as you can see on the right machine, have three glove inline placing system, and this machine is produced to packing the glove one by one. And lastly, we got glove detection pinhole and sorting glove. As you can see, there is a place to put the glove, and the air will blow inside the glove to check whether they have the pinhole or another weak thickness on the glove. Next, we continue to the objective of internship program. First is to assist the student development of employer value skills such as teamwork, communication, and attention to detail. Next is to expose the student to the environment and expectation of performance in real industries. So the student will have the experience on working. So when they come out after grad, they do not surprise about the environment during the working days. Next is to enhance and expand the student knowledge. And lastly, to expose the student to professional role models or mentors. From this fourth point, we can say that students, when go to the industry, they can communicate with the real engineers and workers, so they can share experience, and maybe the professional will make them determined to become a good engineer one more day. First, I will say next we go to the industrial training activity that I have been go through uh, about 10 week or 2 months and more. And as you can see, the work that I did is testing and running the machine on FMS 2010A, which is the packaging glove, the line. As you can see, the first picture on the left is we place the glove when the machine is running, so we can test either the machine is packaging the glove properly or not. And then we just after we packaging the glove, then we will open the glove back to make it cuff, so we can put the glove properly during the testing machine. This process has been done so many times to make sure the glove packaging is well functioned, to reduce the scrap produced by the machine. Next is to do the quality assurance on the product run on the machine. This QA test on the product that running on the machine is to make sure the product produced by the machine is good and follow the specification that customer want. As you can see on the middle picture, this ad is the packaging that provided by the customer, and they ask us to do this kind of packaging. So they will fold the glove into the paper, and the alpha produce the device. As you can see on the first picture on the left, the device that have the spec to follow the size of the packaging after being produced and fold. So that's that's the device. And as you can see on the third picture, sorry if it's not clearly, we do we record each time we do the QA test on the product. And you can see the product the machine will produce an error such as improper inner wrap, the unsquare, or the chop is not centered, so we don't have a good product produced by the machine. We do this QA until we got the result of scrap is less than 3% out of production. Next is we do the maintenance and improvement of the machine. This maintenance of the machine produced to make sure it work properly, because we don't want when after the machine is delivered to the customer, so we don't want the machine is problem there. That's why we make sure the machine is working properly. We check the electrical part, the mechanical part, and also the hardware of the machine to make sure it smooth and can be used. When we have the problem on the part, we will replace or improve the problem part, which is we take out the part, then we go to rework, and after that we put back on its place, then we try the machine back. Next is my activity during in I go to outstation to take back the machine that have problem from the customer, and I also go outstation or to do the installation on new machine at the customer place, which is Ansel that locate in Aikaro, Melaka. And you can see the first two picture is the process of us removing the machine from the production line. The machine is taken back to be improved and to rework back. So this machine is actually under the R&D process. So they try on the production line on about 1 years, and this machine is cannot function good. So that's why we do the R&D again, and then maybe after this we they just go place on the production line. And the next picture, as you can see, the installation, the new machine at the production line, also in Ansel, which is we install the machine that we made from the first month of our internship. So This machine is have been complete and test and being installed at Ansel. We bring from the alpha, then install before we leave to the technician. They calibrate the machine to make sure the machine is placed well and not have any problem in the future. Next, my activity is to prepare and install the electrical part. This is my for me this is the hardest part, which is I need to prepare the wire and the control panel and control box before on the machine. Since we have new product, which so we do the electrical from scratch. We install the cable and label. I also do the solder activity to solder the MCB board so that we can do the electrical. And lastly, we connect all the wire to the PLC, which is the control system of the machine. And this this PLC give a big problem for me because I am lack with the PLC system. So this is very challenging, and I managed to do it. And lastly, the conclusion on my internship program is I managed to adapt with the industrial environment and well communicate with the workers. And second is the task given to me and the other student is complete during the internship program within the due date. And lastly, the student apply what we have learned in the class and gain new knowledge from the industrial training. That's all from me. Thank you.